Getting ready to leave our Tucson winter digs. We still have to wash the vehicles, and I'm still going through the cabinets and the closet to see what can go to Goodwill. I don't know what it is about being in one place for 5 months. We collect stuff. Maybe it breeds in the back of the closets and the dark spaces in the drawers, I don't know. Anyway, one thing people who live this lifestyle sometimes do is to try to make it seem too free and easy. It is not. You really, really do need an emergency fund. Things are going to go wrong. Things are going to need to be maintained. We have had major expenses every year we've been out. This is our 5th year. So don't just think that you can buy your van or your RV and turn the key and run off to paradise. You can't do it. You're still in normal life and things still have to be maintained and paid for. If it's not one thing, it's another with an RV. We started getting a leak from the water heater tank. We thought at first it might be a relief valve. You can see it's all welded closed. We can't see what's up there. But it stopped and then it started again. And now we have a second drip going on. The repairman's coming out to look at it this afternoon. Fortunately, we're still set up at Voyager and we'll be here for a couple of weeks. Hopefully we have time to get it fixed. The people are coming out Tuesday to replace the water heater. We're also having them replace the awning. It's torn like that at both ends. And we want that cutout, that stupid cutout, left out. Gulfstream is famous if you do not own one, and infamous if you do, for the skylights over their slides. Which is not so bad. But then they put that cutout and screen over it so that when it's raining, the rain comes pouring in down by the door. And when you want shade, it still lets the light in. Whoever thought of that's an idiot. So we have ordered a new awning with no cutout, and we would like a better fabric that doesn't deteriorate so fast. 2 things are going to happen then, and that will be nice. Wolf said he's getting the slide topper up there replaced at the same time he's having the other things done. So the slide topper, the main awning, and the water heater, quote, is $1,400. It'll all be done, and that's good. 5 days still till the end of the month, and everything that we needed done is done, at least on the outside. The new awning is up without that wretched cutout. The new heater is in. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a bigger tank. As long as we're sticking with propane, we had to stick with the 6-gallon tank. And the new slide cover is in. The awning and the slide cover, parts of it are white. It might not look as great as black would against the unit, but the sun won't eat it up as much either. So we made that choice and we're happy with it.